Hey everyone, it's George here, lead product manager at SkyCiv. Today we're running through the quick product update video, some of the new features in S3D version 7.1, which are the operations toolbar and keyboard shortcuts. We've recently completely rebuilt the right-hand side menu here in the S3D UI to make it easier and quicker to build models and customize your experience in SkyCiv S3D. Now, all the usual commands are still there in the top right-hand corner, your drawing commands, your visibility commands, and the 3D renderer. We've also added a customizable toolbar to the bottom of this menu where you can pin commands that you use often in S3D to personalize your experience in the software. Now, when we open the operations toolbar, you'll be presented with a set of handy filtering commands. So if I select all the elements in this member, I can then filter out the nodes here. And I can search through these functions to apply operations to those elements too. So I'm going to isolate all of those elements. Now, within this menu, you can then pin and unpin commands to the outside of the toolbar. So I'm going to add one for plate visibility. So I'll add toggle plate visibility here. And then when I close the toolbar, you see I have that option there at the bottom. Now, to remove a command from the toolbar, you just hover it over it and click the X button in the top right-hand corner. Now, in addition to this update, we've also added the ability to customize keyboard shortcuts in SkyCiv S3D. So almost any command that you can access in the operations toolbar, you can add a shortcut to. We've also added a host of new visibility shortcuts to S3D as well. So if you press and hold Shift and Shift N, that will show and hide the nodes. Shift M will show and hide the members. Shift P will show and hide the plates. And Shift H will show and hide the mesh on the plates. And Shift L will show and hide the loads there. So those shortcuts make accessing and hiding elements in your model much quicker than ever before. So that's a quick update on SkyCiv S3D version 7.1 and the operations toolbar and keyboard shortcuts.